Welcome to everyone from our YB Electrical. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to make an auto manual control of three-phase water pump motor using a double float switch power and control wiring. Integrating a float switch and a DOL direct online starter can achieve both automatic and manual control of three-phase water pump motors. This video will explore the technical aspects of automated and manual control of a three-phase water pump motor using a double float switch. First, need to know what is DOL, direct online starter. A direct online DOL starter is a type of motor starter used to start and stop three-phase induction motors in industrial and commercial applications. It's a simple and cost-effective method of starting motors by connecting them directly to the power supply without any intermediate control devices. The DOL starter provides a direct path for the electrical power to flow to the motor's windings, allowing the motor to start running at full voltage and full speed. Components needed: water pump motor, 3-phase. MCB or MCCB 400 volt 3-pole circuit breaker. MCB to 40 volt single pole. Magnetic contactor. Thermal overload relay. Auto manual selector switch. 2 pieces float switch. NONC switches. Emergency switch. Indicators. Wire connector. Cable lugs, according to cable size. Cable gland, according to cable size. Wires and cables. This video is a little different from other videos as it shows the use of 2 float switches and 2 water tanks. Why 2 float switches are needed? Here we transfer water from one water tank to another water tank. For example, we have a water tank ground floor in our house and we will take water from the water tank to the roof tank. But if we install a float switch only on the rooftop, then many times may be no water in the tank which is on the ground floor of our house. If there is no water in the roof tank, then the water pump will start automatically and our motor will be damaged. For this, we will use 2 float switches. One will do low-level indication and the other will do high-level indication. Now I will do panel wiring. First we will know the terminal connection of each component. MCB or MCCB 400 volt 3-pole circuit breaker. 3-phase L1 L2 L3 input. 3-phase L1 L2 L3 output. Magnetic contactor. 3-phase L1 L2 L3 output. 3-phase L1 L2 L3 input. A1 and A2 terminal. NO terminal. NC terminal. Thermal overload relay. 3-phase L1 L2 L3 input. 3-phase L1 L2 L3 output. NO terminal. NC terminal. Indicators. MCB to 40 volt single pole. Emergency switch. On indicator. Off indicator. Trip indicator. NO switch. NC switch. Selector switch. Common terminal. Manual terminal. Auto terminal. Water pump motor, 3-phase. Water tank for ground floor and float switch for ground floor. Water tank for rooftop and float switch floor rooftop. Wire connector. Three-phase L1, L2, L3 input. Three-phase L1, L2, L3 output. Connect the indicator. Connect the magnetic contactor output to the input of the overload relay. Connect the output of the overload relay to the motor. Connection from line 1 to control breaker. Connect NC terminal 96 of overload relay from output of control breaker. Connect one end of the emergency switch to NC terminal 95 of the overload relay. Connect the other end of the emergency switch to the common terminal of the selector switch. Connect the selector switch to the NC switch. Connect the NC switch to the NO switch. Connect the call terminal of the magnetic contactor from the NO switch. Connect for holding. Connect the selector switch to the float switch. Indicator connection. Finally, connect the neutral. All product links shown in this video will be given in the description box. If you like this video, then please support us by giving your opinion in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.